Today, I'm very excited to share with you some changes that I've been making to the garage space here at the Early Riser Workshop that we're dedicating just for pottery. But currently, as you can see behind me, I have a washing machine and dryer and a folding table that's set up for daily use doing the laundry. But by doing one simple thing, I can change all that. By using my portable plaster workstation on the folding table and then closing this door, I have now dedicated the space for pottery. These pegs fit very nicely here in the holes that are drilled in the sides of the door, and they provide support for wear boards that sit next to the wheel, and as I fill them with projects, I can set them in place over the pegs and then take a fresh wear board, put it next to the wheel, and continue throwing without interruption. This is a good time to ask you to like the video and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow and I really appreciate it. Now, if you're interested, follow along on the rest of the video and I'll show you how I built the barn door, the pegs, and the shelves. Well, up to this point, I haven't done anything all that special. I've cut the panel to size, I've stripped OSB strips to clad the perimeter to give the door reinforcement, but now I'm going to set up and use this jig with a fence to route a series of holes along these two edges that will accept 3/4 inch dowel rods. Okay, the door is now painted and ready for me to apply three-dimensional pieces that have also been painted into a creative design on the face of the door. I figured since this door is going to be in the pottery studio, it's a perfect time to be creatively expressive in a Art Deco stained glass kind of style, which I like. Next, I'm going to apply these thin black strips as a border where these two colors change. So now this project is completed. The shelf rests nicely on the pins. And here's another project that I have in process, and it too rests very nicely on the pins. So until next time, be an early riser. Get up and get going, and I'll see you then.